What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a indoor irrigation system. Now, if you have been a long-time subscriber on my channel, you may know that I love plants, and I love indoor plants, of course. I love outdoor plants as well. Y'all obviously see me working on my garden, and I did some reviews in here before, but I don't really show off this area too much. So this is the sunroom, you guys. Right here we have our elephant ears. Got these from Walmart years ago, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, probably when we first got the house. So we have these elephant ears right here. My wife have her aloe vera plants. So as I talk, I will just go ahead and give y'all the little tour around here. So she have orchids over here, we have vines, and we have plants other places in the house. So anyways, blah, 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 blah. Open it up, we have our instructions, and we have this cool little irrigation box. This looks like our water timer that we usually use outside. So similar situation, I believe. We will see. It looks like we have 2 mounts right here. Don't know what that is for yet. Oh, maybe it's a holder for this. I don't know. But we will figure this out. We have a filter right here. So the way this works, we have to put this in the bucket and it will go ahead and put out or output the water where we need it to go. So we will definitely get into that. And the filter have 2 filter balls in it. That being said, I am going to go ahead and get into the install, and then I will catch y'all later. All right, you guys, so on the bottom, if you look, it says in and out. So we are going to take these protector covers off and we are going to get right into it. Now with this, you can do this 2 ways. I believe it don't really say in the instructions how to mount this, but as you know, you probably could put like 2 screws in here and then mount it on the wall if you want. Now they do have this part where you can, it looks like you can put it on a bucket. So we will try this method out. So let's try to put this up. See, it's like a little hook right there. We are gonna cut a good amount of line for our inlet. So that's water coming in. So we are gonna go ahead and install that. Hang it over here. I'm gonna grab some tube, put it over here like this. And then I'm gonna cut the amount that I want using regular scissors. Got our filter right here. It's hard to get on there. And that could go in there and it reaches the bottom. Nice and easy. Now we are going to go in the out. And now we are going to start running our stuff. Now, if you don't want the wire to be seen too much, you can run it through the back of your plants. Or if you don't mind, you can run it through the front of your plants. However it works for you. Now we have to take our T, and then we get one of our lines. This line is for the water. You hook this T up so you can, you hook this T up so you could go from one side to the other, and then you hook this line up so the water can drip down. All right, you guys, I got y'all a little bit lower, that way y'all can see. All right, you guys, so we are going to finalize this review real quick. Now, there's pros and cons to this, you guys. This is not all the way perfect, and especially if you buy it, you should know, if you read in the description, what it does and what it doesn't do. But a lot of us don't read the description. We actually just look at the picture and we go by the picture. So with that being said, I love the fact that it's digital. You can see basically what you're doing. The only issue is you will forget your settings if you don't write it down or if you just don't have a good memory. So with me, I have a semi-good memory. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off and on. We're going to hold the button down and it should come on. Oh, I didn't hold it down hard enough. All right, so right now we have it on 3 hours. It actually kicks on automatically and it's at 1 minute. So every 3 hours, it should do 1 minute. All right, so I'm gonna hit the button again. Now, every time you click it for the minutes, unfortunately, you can't go up and down, which is a con. I wish you could go up and down, but you have to go all the way to 30 minutes, and then it should go back down to 1. So if you want to do like 5 minutes and you accidentally go to 6 minutes, then you have to go all the way to 30 seconds or 30 minutes. Sorry. So right now we are at our 1 minute. Now that's not bad. For the simple fact, you just have to remember, or this is basically like a one-time set. If you're a true plant person that has the basic plants, you might just have it on one type of setting, and you might not ever reset this again. All right, depending on your plant watering needs. All right, so let's do this again. All right, so we are already at 1 minute. All right, we clicking it. I'm going to go, I'm just hitting buttons right now. Now over this side, you got hours. All right, so you got 1 day, every 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. And then it goes to 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours. And then it goes to 1 day. All right, so that is the intervals that it does when it comes to doing it by hours and days. All right, so right now I could just go every 1 day, or I could do every 3 hours. So if I want to do like every 3 hours, I hit every 3 hours, and I come back here on minutes, and every 3 hours it will water for 5 minutes. And I got this bucket, my water bucket is full. So make sure you just keep an eye on your water lines, but the water lines have been doing fine for us. Everything actually has a tight fit on it, and you can actually see where the water is watering, and it's drip irrigation, you guys, so it's not spraying out. So you see that everything is dripping, so there's no pressure to it. Now once again, if you don't know your settings, if you have a bad memory, or something like that, then you may not like this product because it don't show you. All right, and I keep it on the power, but you can actually take it off, and it's a built-in battery, so you don't have to waste your electric bill. And with that being said, that's it. It's just that simple, you guys. I showed y'all all the buttons. I showed y'all how to hook it up, and we watering all of our elephant ear plants or mammoth plants, whatever you want to call it. I believe they was elephant ears, lost the paperwork, but anyways, elephant ears or mammoths, whatever y'all want to call it. We're watering other plants as well. We have aloe vera plants getting watered.
That's that plant over there is a vanilla plant.
And this is a vanilla plant here. So everything is getting watered. Once again, there's no pressure, you guys. Drip irrigation. So this is probably a cool way to water. If you don't, if you forget to water your indoor plants, then you don't have to worry about it. You see? All right, now 3 minutes may be too long for you. I'm not sure, but just comment down if you want to see how much water it uses in 3 minutes. If I could look on the description, I'll let you know how many gallons per hour or liters per hour it used. On my measuring thing here, I can measure it for y'all if it don't tell you. So I could do that later. So over here it tells the liters, and over here it tells the gallons, and then I could set my 3 minutes. Well, I actually already set it up. Well, no, I got it on 5 minutes. Let me see. I click it. No, I got it on 3 minutes. So, well, I didn't set the water, so, oh well, it's too late. So anyways, put it in the comments if you want to see how much this use per minute. That way we can determine how much water that's getting outputted through the plants. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.